Welcome to my YouTube channel Modi Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. Today I am going to explain about the construction and working of radial drilling machines. So basically a radial drilling machine is a heavy duty kind of machines and used for medium and large size of the heavy duty workpiece for making an hole into the materials. So let us start with the construction. And the first one, that will be the base. So basically base of that machine, that will be the heavier into size and made with the cast iron materials, and all the assembly of these heavy duty machines, it will be situated onto the base, and some kind of cutting fluid that will be also stored into the base sections, and whenever that will be the requirement during the cutting operations, that will be transferring towards the tip of the tool to the surface of the workpiece. And the second important part of the radial drilling machines, and that will be the column. So basically in that case of the radial drilling machines, that will be the vertical column, that will be the one of the side of the base, and on that vertical column that will be all the transmitting as well as the controlling mechanism that will be mounted onto that column. After the column, that will be the important part, and that will be called as a radial arm. So basically radial arm that will be attached with the vertical column. So that radial arm that will be rotated throughout the column, and just you can see according to my height of the workpiece materials, this column height is being adjusted. So just you can concentrate over here. Here that will be the table. So table is generally used to hold the workpiece materials with the application of the C clamp, T clamp, or you can use any kind of vise for holding the workpiece. If that will be the workpiece that will be the heavy size, so just you can place onto the base of the machines. Suppose this one is our workpiece material, so that will be fixed with the help of any kind of clamp mechanisms. So according to my requirement, positioning of the surface of that particular workpiece with respect to my cutting tool, or you can say drill bit, so that will be height is being adjusted by the column. So that adjustment of the radial arm with respect to the height, and this radial arm, it will be attached with the column, and that should be rotated at 360 degree. So you can easily make an contact of the drill bit with the workpiece at any positions. Now at the top of the column, that will be providing of the motor for elevating the arm, so that all the positioning of that particularly up and down movement of the radial arm onto the column, that will be by the automations, or you can say automatic feed. It will be providing for easily adjusting the height of that particular column. And just you can see here, that will be the motor for the spindle. So the spindle motor that will be available onto that particularly all the assembly that will be collecting with the motor of the spindle, as well as the spindle feed, hand wheels, and the sleeves and spindles. So the individual motor spindle that will be available onto that nearer to the radial arm. So you can easily controlling the speed at that particular spindle of the drill bits. So according to that particular positioning of the radial arm, so the radial arm that will be reciprocates onto that particular guide weights. So left to right, right to left, and that will be the 360 and up and down. So basically with the application of the radial drilling machines, that will be the positioning of the drill bit with respect to your workpiece, that will be the easiest task as compared to any other machines. So that will be the radial drilling machines. So in simple way for the radial drilling machines, so basically that will be used for the heavy and large workpiece, and the machine that will be the consist of the heavy round and vertical column mounted onto the large base. So the column supports a radial arm, and that will be raised and lowered onto that particular column, and that will be arm, it will be may a swing around the column for the easily positioning of the drill bit to the workpiece materials. So basically in these machines, basically 3 movements when the combination together to permit the drill to locate the any required positions. So the 3, that will be the up and down, that swivel, and this radial arm, this being reciprocates. So if you like this, then subscribe and share. Modi Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. Thank you very much.